monochromatic look. So if you want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Starting from the eyes, like always, I'm priming my eyes using NYX Eyeshadow Base in the shade Skintone and just put it all over my eyelid to the browbone to conceal and prime. Next, for the eyeshadow, the palette that I'm gonna use for this tutorial is Sigma 1 Neutral Palette. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my eyelid to the browbone to set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Then after that, I'm taking this matte medium brown shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Then after that, the second palette that I'm gonna use in this tutorial is Zoeva Metals Palette. I'm taking this bronze shade and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Then after that, back to the Sigma palette, I'm taking this shade and just put it on the outer corner and to the crease as well to make definition. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the Body Shop Eyeliner in the shade black and just put it on my tightline to make my lashes look fuller. Next, for lashes, first thing, curl my lashes. Then after that, I just put my mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I'm just priming my face using Pork Filler Primer and just put it mainly to the center of my face and just blending it all out. Next, for the foundation, I'm taking the Body Shop Moisture Foundation and just put it all over my face using buffing brush parallel technique to apply it. Next, for the concealer, I'm using concealer for highlighting as well, so it's like triangle shape under my eye, and I put it on the center of my nose, I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my chin, and just blending it all out. For the bronzer, I'm using the Body Shop Highlighting Dome in the shade Bronzer and just put it to bronze my face. Next, for the powder, I'm just setting the places I put concealer. And next, I'm back with the bronzer. I'm using matte bronzer and just bronze and kinda like shape my face. And then I use the same bronzer to contour my nose. Then after that, I'm taking this Dust of Colors Baked Highlighter in the shade Sun Kiss and just put it as a bronzer, highlight and blush. So I put it everywhere. Next, for the real highlighter, I'm using the Body Shop Puff on Radiance and just highlighting my face. Okay, now back into the eyes. I'm taking this matte shade and just put it on the lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eye definer and just put it on my waterline. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Nude and just put it all over my lips. Then after that, to top that off, I'm taking the Balm Lip Gloss and just put it all over my lips. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I'll make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.